Have you ever wondered if someone likes you? It's a question that has inspired many individuals, writers and creators too. From a slight smile to a subtle lean, body language often reveals what words don't. Even in crowded places, our bodies speak without us realizing it. Why do we want to know if someone likes us? The need to feel liked and appreciated is natural. It makes us feel seen and valued. But how can we read these signals? How can we tell the difference between friendly gestures and real attraction? In stories, body language often reveals hidden feelings. Think of Mr. Darcy's intense stare at Elizabeth Bennet in Pride and Prejudice or Jane Eyre's lingering touch with Mr. Rochester. These subtle signs build tension and keep readers hooked. Now, let's explore 7 clear body language signs that someone might be interested in you. And like those famous literary characters, you too can use these signs to attract, connect, and captivate. Sustained eye contact. Eye contact can say a lot. If someone holds your gaze for a moment longer than usual, it could mean they're interested. The eyes are called the windows to the soul for a reason. In Pride and Prejudice, Mr. Darcy's intense gazes at Elizabeth reveal his attraction even before he speaks. Try it. Hold their gaze for just a second longer. It can be a powerful move. Mirroring. Mirroring is when someone copies your actions, gestures, or posture without realizing it. It's a way of creating a connection. In The Great Gatsby, Gatsby mirrors Daisy's movements, hanging on her every word. Want to try it? Lean in when they do. Nod when they nod. It can strengthen your bond. Leaning in, when someone leans in while talking to you, it's a sign they're interested. It reduces the physical gap and creates closeness. In Jane Eyre, Mr. Rochester leans in whenever he's captivated by Jane. The next time you're talking to someone, lean in slightly. It shows you're fully engaged. Feet pointing towards you. Feet can reveal a lot. When someone's feet point directly at you, it shows they're focused on you. In A Streetcar Named Desire, Stanley's body language is bold and direct. Want to appear more interested? Point your feet toward the person you're talking to. It signals your attention. Adjusting clothing or hair. When someone is nervous or wants to impress, they may adjust their clothes or touch their hair. In The Age of Innocence, Ellen Olenska adjusts her gloves around Newland Archer. The next time you feel a spark, try fixing your collar or smoothing your hair. It's a simple way to draw attention. Subtle touches, a gentle touch on the arm or a brief brush of hands can speak volumes. In Romeo and Juliet, Romeo's touch on Juliet's hand is electric. A light touch can create a moment of connection that lingers. Open body language. When someone likes you, they open up their body language. This means uncrossed arms, relaxed shoulders, and facing directly toward you. In Anna Karenina, Vronsky's open stance around Anna is a clear sign of his interest. Keep your body language open too. It makes you appear more approachable and confident. Noticing these signs can help you understand